It's time for the Caribbean and Africa to forge more direct ties. That was the essence of President of Rwanda, His Excellency Paul Kagame's address at a joint sitting of the Jamaican Parliament in Gordon House last Thursday. President Kagame says Jamaica and Rwanda shares common traits.
We are not strangers to one another. In our diversity, we share common traits. Our peoples are resilient, creative, and, as our common history shows, also indestructible.
He says it's time for Africa and the Caribbean to work together in a direct and sustainable manner,
both through our representative regional organizations, CARICOM and the African Union, and bilaterally. The first Africa CARICOM summit last September was long overdue and must be built upon.
He thanked Jamaica for its support of Rwanda as the newest member of the Commonwealth. The country is set to host the next Heads of State meeting in June.
We hope to see strong representation from the Commonwealth Caribbean.
In his address, Prime Minister Andrew Holness congratulated Rwanda for many milestones in the last 28 years. He says there is much to be shared between Jamaica and Rwanda.
Through our exchanges, we will have the opportunity to take forward technical cooperation in several fields, including culture, ICT, health, tourism, and sport. We're looking forward to advancing our economic relations through increased trade and investment prospects.
He describes Rwanda as a powerhouse of socioeconomic development.
Like Jamaica, has a level of influence and impact which far surpasses its geographical size. Rwanda has overcome unimaginable challenges, and it now embraces its rightful place in regional and global leadership.